The problem is to print numbers from 0 to 4 using a Python loop. The range function generates numbers starting from 0 up to but not including the given number. The loop begins with the variable I set to 0. The first action inside the loop is to print the current value of I, which is 0. After printing, I is increased by 1 to prepare for the next iteration. The loop prints the updated value of I, which is now 1. Again, I is incremented by 1 to continue the loop. The loop prints the current value of I, which is 2. I is increased by 1 once more to move forward. The loop prints the value of I, which is 3. I is incremented by 1 again for the next step. The loop prints the value of I, which is 4. When I is increased by 1 again, it becomes 5, which ends the loop because it reached the limit. The final output of the loop is the sequence of numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4 printed in order. First, the loop is written with range 5. Range 5 supplies the whole numbers from 0 through 4. The loop begins at 0 and prints the current value. Each new iteration increases I by 1, producing the next output. When I reaches 5, the loop stops after printing 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4.